Hello folks, this is Voltage from Air Factor Heating and Cooling. Today we have a call on rooftop unit. It's not working, so that's my ladder right here. So I turn on the thermostat. So that's our unit. That's a York RTU unit. So it's equipped with the motherboard ST9120C 2002. This is 2007 unit. That's the model number for this. It has a smart valve. There is no indication for anything. There is no LED for it. So what's happened, basically the venter motor keeps spinning and nothing working. So as I see that, I have a bad gas valve because I have a power on here, but there's no ignition on it. So we are changing. This is a old part number for it. So the new part number for the gas valve is it's a smart valve from Honeywell SV9501M2528. It's a smart valve system control valve. So we're gonna changing this one. This is the most expensive valve you can find in the market. For Honeywell make that, you know. So we're gonna change this this gas valve today on this unit, and I'll get back to you. So we replaced the gas valve here. We checked for the leaks. The unit is running right now. So we are testing all the sequence of operation on the unit. And we're gonna check the gas pressure for the new one. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye now.